What's going on, everybody? So what we're going to do today is figure out how to find your food truck permits for your area. So I live in Houston, Texas, so I am going to go to Google and search mobile food unit permit Houston. And then I get several choices. So I'm going to click on the first one, Houston Health Department, Consumer Health Guide. Boom. Let's see what they got. This is obviously the city of Houston. And all the information I need to figure out how to open a food truck in the city of Houston is right here. They have conventional restricted motorized units, conventional unrestricted motorized units, restricted mobile carts, restricted mobile food units, ice cream trucks, tricycles, and push carts, fixed location, unrestricted mobile food units, 14U mobile food carts. So I'm going to go with the unrestricted food trucks and trailers for 2020. Information packet. Clicking that. And here we go. I have everything I need to open or figure out how to open a food truck in the city of Houston. General information, plans, checklist. This is very important. City of Houston probably requires that you have your plans approved beforehand. This is the full checklist. There you go. That was easy.